Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining. I'm David from Hammerite Industries. In today's video, we carry on working on a Mitsubishi L300 motorhome. We're gonna rust proof and treat the inner wheel arch. We're gonna use Hammerite, Waxoyl underbody seal and used engine oil.
But David, you already done this in episode 10.
Yeah, I know, I already covered this topic before. This time is the same principle, using some oil, go over with Waxoyl underbody seal and oil again. That's keep all the moisture out from the surface. It works really well for me, so if you're interested, stick around and have a look what we've done. What I plan to do is treat with underbody seal, but first I have to grind off all the weldings. First I use some metal grinding disc, then I used flat disc to make it smooth, and just on a final I just wire brushed with a wire wheel. Just gonna underseal it with a Hammerite Waxoyl underbody seal. But first I have to, so that's my technique. I'm not saying this is how everyone should do it, but this is how I do it. I got this
Chemical X,
which is technically used engine oil, and these are 50-50 mix, roughly 50-50 mix. So first what I'm gonna do, spray it, brush it in, and then go over with the Hammerite underbody seal, and then another coat of
Chemical X
on the top. It works really well for me, so to be fair, I'm gonna stick to it. The first coat of oil, these are mixture on the surface, and straight away got the Hammerite underbody seal. That was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment. See you next time.